Introducing our latest cordless brush cutter, engineered to deliver consistent performance for both home and professional use. The dual battery support ensures reduced downtime and uninterrupted workflow, giving you dependable performance from start to finish. Designed with user comfort at its core, the lightweight, ergonomic structure allows for effortless handling even during extended use. Its balanced build and comfortable grip reduce fatigue, making every cutting session easier and more controlled. The brush cutter is designed for quick and hassle-free blade changes. Its user-friendly mechanism allows you to switch blades smoothly and safely, helping you adapt to different cutting needs with minimal downtime.